Do you eating birds? Ain't nobody got time for that. It's July and I've got to get some carrots in the ground. I want carrots. I've come up with a genius idea. Everything that I'm doing here is on a budget. So it means coming up with innovative ways to have a raised bed, then so be it. So I'm going to show you today how to make a raised bed with the following items. A trusty IKEA bag, twigs that you find from around your allotment, some wood chip,
a flathead screw, pea shingle or gravel, some dried grass cuttings,
some manky soil. We've all got a pot of manky soil. Come on. A lighter, a bag or quarter of a bag of heat-free multi-purpose compost that my friend's just given me. So all in all, everything here is free. I'm going to sow carrots today. First thing you've got to do is you've got to put some drainage holes in your IKEA bag. I balance my IKEA bag on top of my camping chair. I'm going to use turning it round, making sure it's super duper hot. Oh yeah. Why didn't I do that in the first place? That worked a treat. There are my 6 holes in the bottom of the IKEA bag. Grab some shingle, some gravel stones, some dried grass along with the twigs. Got gravel in there. Yes. Now, I've got a load of mulch and put that in. This is filling up nicely. Your manky soil, get that in. Wait, what else are you going to use it for? Get the rest of your crappy little twigs in as well. Do you know what? That absolutely stinks to high heaven. Got coffee grounds and tea grounds in it. Nice compost that's been fermenting. Maybe that is. Oh, that's heaven. So we've still got a bit to go. So I may have to use a little bit more compost. I should have gone and got some more mulch. Hey, the majority of this was free. Get the clumps. You know what? This is actually a lot bigger than what I thought it was going to be. Good old IKEA. Yeah, I saw this online. I think it was off the top of my head, I'm tempted to say Abundance Gardener, but I'll see if I can find the link and put it in the description. That's a bit of me, that is. Free stuff. I'm going to open another bag. Now I want to start thinking about where this is going to go, because if I start loading it up here I might not be able to move it. So I think I'm going to move it in situ and then top it up. I'm going to move you to that side of the plot. Clump the compost. Plot, but the one thing about it is it's just not very sheltered. Right. If I'm able to actually grow something in this grow bag, I'll be well chuffed. It's like literally a raised bed that cost me nothing. I now have a raised bed. You just need the full sun, so we're going to go for it. I'm going to use, it does say to water this well, so I'm going to do that. Why does the hose just suddenly like spurt sometimes? It's weird. Whilst that's doing, but it might settle a little bit, so I just need to keep an eye on the compost. I don't want to compress it too much because it needs to be light for the carrots to work their way down. So I'll plant a few and show you how I'm doing it, and then I'll show you the finished bed. So apparently there's 2,000 seeds in there. Whoa! Oh my god, this is so cool. Sowing carrots for the first time in a raised bed that I've pretty much created out of nothing. Do you know what they said is good to sow with carrots? Coriander. I might see if I've got any of that in the seed stash. I'm well chuffed I've done this today. Do you know what? I've not really told anybody on the allotment that I've got a YouTube channel. I'm like, oh, that woman who she's just moved in, she talks to herself all the time. Right, I think that's enough. These are my carrots. Move them over and then see if I can plant a little bit of Coronation Street coriander. So coriander seeds at the side, and I'll bring you back. Apparently, carrots roots grow down circular down, which is why I wanted a raised bed, because some of those beds are they need a lot of compost. I'm going to place them over where I know the lines are, but I'm going to see if I've got some coriander too. So before my battery dies, this is it. This is my raised IKEA bed with carrots in it. Whoa. Just going to give it a little water, just to make sure it's not going to dry out, because I'm in the full sun. It's bloody boiling. Poor little carrots. And what we'll do is we'll check every day or so for little flecks. I've not pushed those down, I've literally just laid them on top. But yeah, that was a good little find, that wasn't it? That little piece, just to get that. I just need a little one for that. I'm going to see if I can find a little one for that. And also some coriander. Wow, I'm well chuffed. Can't believe I've just done that. In no time at all, on the fly. So watch more content, like, subscribe, comment. I've only got 11 subscribers, and I think 2 of them are my mum and dad, and I've subscribed twice, so come on, help a girl out. Anyway, take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.